activity. So, over the last now 20 years, or 30 years actually, methotrexate has been the most studied DMARD to date. There's more trial and long-term experience with this molecule than any other drug to date, and until recently, no small molecule had ever beaten methotrexate in a clinical trial. And I'll come back to the small molecules that are now superior to methotrexate in efficacy. It's been studied versus placebo, versus active comparators. It's been combined with synthetics. It's been compared to biologics. It's been combined with biologics. There's long-term prospective data, and there's registry data. The first trial I want to highlight, because this, I suspect, was never appreciated what the result would be, was the first trial of an anti-TNF therapy in a head-to-head study versus methotrexate. Prior to that, methotrexate had beaten hydroxychloroquine, intramuscular gold, azathioprine, and was the standalone therapy for our disease. After etanercept was approved by the FDA in 1998, actually, Immunex launched a study comparing methotrexate to etanercept. Now, there is a connection between Letterly Laboratories and Immunex. Letterly Laboratories was the pharmaceutical company that developed methotrexate. The president of Letterly Laboratories subsequently went on to become the president of Immunex. Letterly Laboratories actually had had about 40% control of Immunex, actually, and they were bought by American Home. And the president, who then went to Immunex, refused to take over bid, actually, of Immunex. At the time, their stock was selling for about $13 a share. They had no positive studies